Welcome to Alto's open house in Dallas, Texas, where you can apply and successfully be hired to join our driver team on the same day. We invite everyone over the age of 25 to apply with us, so come prepared with your resume, driver's license, and a second form of ID. Meet and greet with the recruiting team, local managers, and other team members at Alto. Feel free to ask questions and get to know your potential managers and coworkers. First, check in with an Alto team member, browse through our driver brochure, and prepare for your interview with an Alto recruiter and manager. Next, all applicants will perform a driver assessment, which will be evaluated by the local operations manager and trainer. Our driver assessment is a unique driving course that will allow you to put your driving skills to the test. You must pass the driver assessment to finalize your offer. Lastly, you will officially be offered a driver position at Alto. You will complete onboarding paperwork and consent to a background check. We will then send you training videos and follow up with your first day. We look for professional, charismatic people that love to drive. So follow us on LinkedIn and look for an Alto open house near you.